Hi guys, so on today's video I'm going to be sharing this strategy I use on Boom 300 whenever I want to catch spikes. I've been using this strategy for more than 10 months and it is paying. So today I will be sharing with you for free. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, like and share this video to other traders so that we will milk the market together. So as you can see, this is a real account. Today I deposited today and I've entered Boom 500 and my stop loss was hit. So I looked for other opportunities and I found my perfect setup on Boom 300 and I decided to enter my buy. It was not a sniper, but as you can see, the risk reward ratio that I will be teaching you will be very good. So without wasting much of your time, let's start by adding our first indicator. So if we navigate to this button and we add our main indicator, our first indicator, which will be the moving average. The first moving average will be the moving average. Let's set it period to 28. Then on shift, let it like that, 0. Method simple, apply close, levels none, color you change it to red, then we save. Then we have got this this moving average, which is acting as the dynamic support for this trend, uptrend. And then we add another indicator, which is also a moving average. Our moving average will be moving average period set to 200, shift 0, method simple, apply close, color we choose green, we save, and we have got this. And we add another indicator again, and this time we are going to add our very important indicator, which is the RSI. So on our RSI, the period will remain 14, then apply to, it will remain close, levels will add level 12 and description by hard. We add 88, description sell hard. Then we add 50. This 50 is very important because it is that level we will be using to identify either we are in a buy zone or in a sell zone in terms of catching spikes. So after that, we set the color to blue. After setting the color to blue, let me do this. We save. So right after we have our setup like this, let's start to learn how it works. First of all, we have to identify the trend. We look at the first moving average, which is the red moving average, the 12, the 28, the number 28 on period 28. So when the market is trending and the moving average, the red moving average is between the patterns, the chart patterns, we are not going to take any positions until the market have gone above the red moving average. At the same time, the green moving average must be below our charts, and the RSI must be trending above the level 50. That's where the trick it is. So when the market is now trending above the level 50 on the RSI and on our moving average, our red moving average and our green moving average, the market will be above those moving averages. We will look for a buy opportunity. So when we want to buy, we will look for a 5-minute order block. When we see our 5-minute order block, on this case I used this 5-minute order block here. So we wait for the market to come into our order block, and we check our RSI if it is above 50%. If all the conditions have been met, we buy and we wait. Our stop loss will be $15. Since Boom 300 opens with a minimum lot size of 1, so our stop loss will be $15, and our target will be $50 to $100. That's the strategy I use. So on this trade, I will be holding till my TP is hit. My TP is $188, and now I'm swimming in deep profits. As you can see, my profits are now 120. They are retracing a little bit. I had 142 in profit, so I will be holding till my TP, or I will see what the market will be doing, and I will react to what the market will be telling me to do. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I post a new strategy, you will be the first to receive the notification and stay up to date. If you don't have a derivative trading account, you can open your account using my referral link, which is in the description. If you want to do copy trading, I will be offering copy trading soon. You can create your account with the link, which is also in my description. So thank you for watching. Let's meet again on the next video.